안녕하세요 여러분. Hi everyone. Welcome to the chapter 7. In chapter 7, we are going to study new grammar. I want to introduce you. Can you see in this picture? There's Jenny and Ju eating 수박, watermelon, under the hot weather. In this lesson, we are going to study the weather. Let's see the vocabulary. Can you see? 쉽다, easy. 어렵다, difficult. 가볍다, light. 무겁다, heavy. 덥다, hot. 춥다, cold. 아름답다, beautiful. 맵다, spicy. There is one common thing on those vocabulary. Can you see? The 8 adjectives in the book have one common feature. It's that the final consonant of the syllable to the left of 다 is 부. Let's read more. Can you see? In Korean, the conjugation of verbs and adjectives is not always regular, and 부 irregular is one of those irregular grammar points that you must understand and move past. You will likely forget this grammar rule over time, and there's no need to worry at all. It's okay to forget it because it takes several months for grammar systems to become ingrained in your system. However, you must absolutely understand it and move on. So this time, you must understand absolutely and move on. So that way, the time it takes to recall this grammar later on will gradually decrease. Some Korean grammar is difficult to understand a day, even a week. So you need more time to understand about this grammar. When a word ends with the consonant 부 and it meets a vowel, 부 changes to u. After that, adjectives or verb conjugation takes place. So far, we have studied like a verb conjugation, 아요, 오요, adjective 아요, 오요, noun is 이에요, 예요. But can you see this one is the 부 irregular? Something's different, right? Let's see how to conjugate them. Example, there is a 덥다 means hot. 덥다 meet 아요, 오요. 아요, 오요 is a vowel, right? 아어 is a vowel. So when you conjugate, 다 is always out. And 덥 meet 아어 vowel. 덥, the consonant 부 changes to u. So 덥 become 더우, is it? So 더우 plus 아요, 오요 conjugation. Because of the u, always follow 어요. So you can say 더우 어요. But Korean people don't say 더우 어요. If you say fast, 우어, it become 더워요. And next example, can you see? Example, 어렵다, difficult. 어렵다 when it meet 앗어요 or 었어요, past tense. 앗 and 엇 also vowel. So 어렵다, 다 is always out. 렵 meet vowel, 앗 and 엇. 렵 become 려우. Because of the 부 changes to u. So 어려우. So far so good. This one 어려우, 아요, 오요 conjugation. Because of the u, always 었어요 follow. So that's why 어려우 었어요. But Korean people don't say 어려우 었어요. 우엇, 우엇 become 어려웠어요, you can say. Everyone, how do you think about the conjugation way, the 부 irregular? It's difficult, right? So that's why you need more time to understand about this one. I want to explain to you, there is one exception so far, 입다. 입다 is an exception in regular conjugation. 입 has a 부, but the conjugation, you can say 입다 become 입어요 and then 입었어요. It doesn't change. So 입다 doesn't change. I just explained to you about 덥다 and 어렵다, and other things are same. You can conjugate. Example, 춥다 become 추워요 and 추웠어요. 쉽다 become 쉬워요 and then 쉬웠어요. And other things as well. 가볍다, 무겁다, and then 맵다, 아름답다. All same conjugation way. Example, can you see? 맵다. 맵다, 아요, 오요. 다 is always out. 맵 meets the vowel, become 부 change to u. So this one is 매우, and then u, after u always follow 어요. So become 매우어요 become 매워요, like this. And then 매웠어요, same. 아름답다, beautiful. The past tense is 아름다웠어요. I can explain to you one more time. 아름답다, conjugation, the past tense. How can you say? 다 is always out, and 답 means the vowel. The p changes to u, so 아름다우, and then you can add 었어요. Because of the u, always follow and then 었어요. 아름다웠어요. This time we are trying to understand what is the verb irregular. Let's check each sentence. Can you see? First sentence. 어제 날씨가 추웠어요. 어제 is yesterday. 날씨가 추웠어요. 날씨 is the weather. 추웠어요. Original adjective is 춥다. And conjugation, 다 is always out. And then 춥아요, 오요. Past tense, as어요, os어요. How can you say? as어요, os어요 is a vowel. So 춥, the consonant p changed to u. So 추우, os어요 become 추웠어요. And next sentence. 그 숙제가 쉬웠어요. 그 숙제가 쉬웠어요. 그 숙제 is a that homework. 쉬웠어요. Original adjective is 쉽다. And then 쉽다, as어요, os어요. 쉬웠어요 become 쉬웠어요. Right? And next sentence. 한국어 문법이 어려워요. 한국어 문법. So, 한국어, Korean, 문법, grammar. Korean grammar is 어려워요. 어려워요, difficult. Original adjective is 어렵다. So, 어렵다, 아요, 오요. 어려우어요 become 어려워요. And next sentence. 이 노트북이 가벼워요. 이 노트북, this laptop is 가벼워요, light. Original adjective is 가볍다. Also same. 아요, 오요 is 가벼우어요 become 가벼워요. And next sentence. 가방하고 신발이 무거워요. 가방하고 신발 A and B. The bags and shoes are 무거워요. Heavy. Original adjective is 무겁다. Same. 아요, 오요 is 무거우 plus 어요 become 무거워요. And next sentence. 떡볶이하고 냉면이 매워요. So, 떡볶이 and cold noodle, 냉면 are 매워요. Original adjective is 맵다. So, 매우어요 become 매워요. And next sentence. 설악산이 아름다워요. 설악산 is a Mount Sorak in Korea, and 아름다워요 is beautiful. So original adjective is 아름답다. 아요, 오요 is 아름다우 plus 어요 become 아름다워요. So how do you think about the b irregular conjugation? Watching YouTube and understanding is very easy, but b irregular and 아요, 해요, 어요 conjugation so far only one, so it's easy for you. But when you study more about the grammar example A1 level or A2 level, there are more the vowel conjugation grammar, so you have to think more. So this grammar is very important. Please study yourself, and if you have any question, leave me a comment. We will see in the next lesson. 안녕히 계세요.